today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create successful Google Ads search campaigns with a focus on campaign structure. This guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can understand each phase and build effective ads that reach your target audience. Let's start by heading over to Google Ads. This is where you'll find all the tools to attract new customers and grow your business through online advertising. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, click Sign In and log in with your Google account details. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads dashboard, your main control panel. Now you're in the right place to begin setting up your campaign. Look for and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll create a new ad campaign. Once you click it, you'll see a dashboard showing different campaign types. Choose the one that matches your goal. For example, select sales if your aim is to increase product purchases, or leads if you want to collect contact information from potential customers. After selecting your campaign type, go to the Assets section. This is a key area where you'll build the components of your ad, things like text, images, and other creative elements. Clicking here opens up deeper customization options for your campaign. Inside the Assets tab, pay special attention to ad extensions. These are incredibly useful because they add extra details to your ad, like call buttons, links to specific parts of your website, or even your business location if you're running a local service. Ad extensions can dramatically improve your ad's visibility and effectiveness. They give potential customers more context and make it easier for them to take action directly from your ad. As you move through these steps, remember that the goal is to build a clear, organized structure that draws attention and encourages engagement. Every element of your campaign, from your ad copy to your keywords, should connect with your business objectives, whether that's driving sales, generating leads, or increasing web traffic. It's also important to monitor your campaign performance regularly. Check your metrics, things like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per click. The data you gather will help you make smart adjustments to improve results over time. You might find you need to tweak your target demographics, adjust your bids, or fine-tune your ad content based on what resonates most with your audience. Google Ads is all about testing, learning, and optimizing. By following these structured steps, you'll build a strong foundation for your campaigns, one that helps you reach your audience effectively and convert their interest into real results. Good luck with your campaign setup, and may your ads deliver success.